Reduce your hurricane risk with the National Center for Atmospheric Research and the University of Georgia Marine Extension and Georgia Sea Grant. Share. Share your knowledge. Do your neighbors and family members understand their hurricane and storm surge risks? Action. Make sure your social network has access to evacuation information and safety resources. For more information, visit the National Hurricane Center at www.nhc.noaa.gov or learn how to be weather ready for extreme weather events at www.ready.gov. Learn more about the University of Georgia Marine Extension and Georgia Sea Grant at gacoast.uga.edu.